The South Korean car manufacturer Kia has presented its take on the higher-riding small SUV style with the Stonic. This model follows a tried-and-true formula, utilizing the foundation of the Kia Rio hatchback and enhancing it with chunkier wheels and tires, added height, and more robust styling for an SUV flair. The Stonic offers an exciting quantum trim level with yellow highlights, and for those wanting to add a touch of personality to their ride, there's an option for two-tone paint. In terms of reliability, Kia has proven itself to be a reliable brand, placing 7th out of 32 brands in the 2022 What Car Reliability Survey. The Stonic itself also ranked within the top 10 small SUVs. Further enhancing the reliability of the Stonic is Kia's standard 7-year warranty, which provides an additional layer of reassurance for drivers. As for powertrains, the Stonic does not offer a fully electric option. However, it does feature a mild hybrid petrol version, which incorporates a small battery to aid in improving efficiency. For those looking for a fully electric model, Kia has other options like the EV6, Niro EV, and Soul EV. The 1.0 turbo GDI 118 MHEV engine variant is a standout choice in the Stonic lineup. This 1-liter petrol engine, supplemented by a mild hybrid system, provides modest efficiency gains while ensuring adequate power. The GT line or Quantum trims are recommended for their value. On the tech front, the Stonic doesn't disappoint. It comes standard with a sharp 8.0-inch touchscreen, DAB radio, Bluetooth, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone mirroring capabilities. However, potential buyers should note that the entry-level trim, known as 2 inches, does not include built-in navigation. When it comes to safety, the Stonic boasts a full 5-star rating from safety experts at Euro NCAP. Every model in the range comes standard with automatic emergency braking and lane keep assist. However, some competitors in the small SUV category have scored slightly better in adult occupant and pedestrian protection. Practicality is an important factor for many SUV buyers, and here the Stonic might fall a bit short for some. With 352 liters of boot space, it's able to accommodate 5 carry-on suitcases, which is smaller compared to several competitors. Therefore, if a spacious boot is high on your priority list, the Stonic might not be the best choice. The 2023 Stonic comes with a price range of £20,370 to £25,420. It offers 5 trims and 2 engine options, all powered by petrol. The fuel economy ranges between 47.1 to 55.4 mpg across all versions. It's a 5-door vehicle and, as mentioned earlier, comes with a 7-year warranty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.